welcome to Best Life and Beyond. We're here, it's Christmas Eve at Disneyland!
Yay, I'm so excited. We're gonna show you what it's like to be here on Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
We'll show you what the crowds look like and just the stuff you can do and have fun.
Yeah.
Some years it's really crowded, some years it's not. I don't know what this year will be, but we're gonna have a blast. We're hanging out with Henry and Pixar Charlie.
Yep.
We're gonna start over in DCA and then we're gonna head over to Disneyland for the rest of the night. So exactly, Santa.
It's that kind of vibe. All right.
It sure is. Let's go.
Let's go, ho, ho. And look, at you first walk in, it looks pretty mellow here at DCA.
A lot of people are leaving right now.
Yeah.
So, well, it does close, I think, at 10 tonight.
Yeah. All right. The old school lights on the Hyperion Bridge welcoming us into the DCA.
It's lovely.
The window displays. And oh, they're making something in the window. What are they making? Oh, cake pops. Snowflake pops. Flake pops.
Flake pops?
Yeah. Finished tray. Look at that. Thank you. We're right out here. You can pop that right out the door. Wait, where's it go? Where's the trolley? Always got to check in with the trolley. Where is he? Is he running today? Oh, there he goes. There he goes.
Love to get it.
Yep. All right, getting a good look at the DCA tree. There it is. Christmas Eve. And the big wreath on Carthay. I think that big wreath is saying, hey, come on in. Come on into Carthay. We're going to try. We're going to see if we can get in, go check out the bar real quick. There's a real small hidden Mickey over here, right, at Carthay?
It's supposed to be the smallest hidden Mickey.
We're just gonna see if Henry can find it. It's over in this section between me and Charlie.
Oh, this thing? There it is.
Yeah, that's a hidden Mickey.
There it is, yeah.
Tiny little thing.
It's not a piece of gum, Henry, now. All right, headed in. All right, we got a little table. Nice.
Oh my gosh. It's so pretty.
Our drinks have arrived and Katie got this non-alcoholic, it's like a wine.
It's actually a rosé. It's a wine country soda and it literally tastes like a sparkling wine without the alcohol.
Yeah, I tried it and it does. It just doesn't have the alcohol layer and
it's
Katie
so
likes
good.
it. A
It's
little bit of,
refreshing.
yeah, a little sparklingness to it, right?
No, it's really carbonated. It's delicious though.
And then Charlie got what is called a Ginger Rogers. It's the opposite of a Roy Rogers. Do not be deceived on, it's not a non-alcoholic drink. This thing is packed with a punch, I'm told, right?
It's gin.
It's gin. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, okay, Qui-Gon. Gin. And Henry and I have opted for the Manhattan, which at Carthay has the spherical ice cube, which we love. Merry Christmas! Cheers!
Merry Christmas 2019.
Happy holidays.
Oh boy.
Oh yes. Yeah, good.
Okay, made it back over to Disneyland. Christmas Eve, the Disneyland train station, there it is. And if you can tell, look, there's really not too many people gathering in here. We'll soon see how this crowd is once we get in. Good old Main Street on Christmas Eve, guys, look at this. Definitely has a different feel, I'm telling you. I don't know what it is, but there is a different feel to the park right now. I think because the people that are here want to be here for that special reason. Look, Charlie, toys.
Oh, let's do it. I would said that with a straight face.
Yeah. Looking back down Main Street, so cool. Towards the tree. Let's check the wait time board and see what Christmas Eve night kind of looks like in general here. So, there you go, Alice 35. Big Thunder 30. That's not too bad though. I mean, Haunted Mansion 70.
Hyperspace.
Small World Holiday 40.
That's doable for me.
Jungle Cruise 10.
Oh, we might have
Jungle
to go on a
Cruise,
holiday cruise.
yeah. And then over on the other side here, Matterhorn 65, Smugglers 50. Look at that, Matterhorn beating out Smugglers. Peter Pan 40.
Well, it's hard to believe the Matterhorn's beating out Peter Pan.
I know.
That's only 40 minutes.
Pirates only 20. Let's go look at it.
9?
Fantastic. So everybody's
Let's go to
going to
Pirates.
that.
Okay, let's go check Pirates. Let's see if we can.
Fantasmic's at 9.
Yeah, so we could have the, it's a distraction, Phantasmic. It's like,
Yes, it is.
hey, look over here! And we're like, yeah, exactly.
Distracted by Phantasm. I'll be like, yeah, go on Pirates, I'm gonna watch my favorite people.
And she's done that before. Look, you guys, it's the Christmas castle. There it is. Pirates looking doable. Come on, let's do it. Nobody in the bottom queue at Pirates Christmas Eve, if that's any indication. Crowd's thinning out good now. About to go inside, smell that pirate water. Alright, Dirtyfoot's still on vacation, you guys. He's still out. I wonder if he goes to a cold climate for his vacation since he's always in the Caribbean. Merry Christmas, creepy pirate guys.
He like nodded and was like, yeah, Merry Christmas.
Hardly anybody in the queue, you guys. It's like,
People want to watch Phantasm.
true, but still, it's Christmas
They're
Eve.
walking all the way up.
Empty at Disneyland.
So we are going on Astro Blasters because it's insane out there right now. Everybody's trying to get on and watch the fireworks on Main Street. So we're gonna hide out and go on some rides in Tomorrowland. This is a walk-on right now. All right, I'm gonna film because Spence is such a terrible shot. So clearly I need to show you how to get a high score and still be able to film. The one behind him right there is worth the most. Thank goodness.
384, good job. 188. Oh, look, it's the crew.
You guys.
Wow. There's the finale. There it goes. Phew. And now we can get on the train.
That was loud.
That was loud. Ah, Christmas in the Grand Canyon. Those guys know it's Christmas. Oh, there's a Christmas tree. Yep, you're right, Katie.
Another one.
And some snow, look. Mr. Mountain Lion's walking on
Few
snow.
Christmas trees.
There he is. Christmas skunks right there. Oh, yeah. Christmas in the primeval world. Look at this.
Popeye's eating mistletoe.
Oh, he is. And his little friend's just trying to get a smooch. Look. Merry Christmas, pterodactyl.
There's unwrapping presents, little baby.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they're drinking eggnog over there. Yummy.
That was the carcass of their turkey.
Yeah.
This is everybody battling for more presents.
Yeah. All right, coming back into civilization. The crowds are leaving. Bye. Bye-bye.
Mickey's in his pajamas.
Mickey's in his pajamas.
Yes, he is.
Just taking a second to admire the decorations here at the train station up close. It looks so great. All right, stepping off the train, going to see Mickey. Apparently he's in his pajamas, and like all the characters are at this hour on Christmas Eve only. But look at the tree from back here, so cool. See, Mickey's smart, he's in his robe like I was for, look at that. That's so great. Get Minnie's amazing pajamas with the polka dots. Oh my gosh, so great. And Donald in his little, look at, he's got a night hat. Very cozy, Donald, very cozy. And look, there's Daisy. Hi, Daisy Duck. We're waiting in line to see Mickey in his pajamas, which we've seen already, but we want to get a picture. And while this is happening, look at the exodus leaving. Everybody's leaving, you guys.
Always stay till after fireworks.
Yeah, everybody's running for the hills, and we still have like, what, hour and a half left in the park?
Hour and a half, Yeah.
and it's going to clear out. So just to give you an idea of what it's like here at Christmas Eve.
The joyous spirit of this wonderful season continues to fill your homes and warm your hearts now and into the coming new year. From all of us at Disneyland, happy holidays.
Look how excited. Mickey's like, I know Charlie. I know Pixar Charlie. We love the robe. Look at this look.
You look so adorable in your pajamas! This is my first time I've seen you in your PJs, and I can't handle how cute it is. Oh, I love it! Can we take a photo? Yeah? Okay.
Adam coming in
Oh,
next.
I'm loving it! All right.
Thanks, Mickey.
Merry Christmas!
Look at Goofy posing. He's doing a photo shoot.
Oh my God.
Look at that. So great.
You and yours the most wonderful holiday season. You know, whenever you see a shining star, it's your chance to make a wish for happy things. A joyful heart, peace on earth. So, on behalf of all my friends who wish upon a star, here's a special season's greeting. From all of us to all of you, a very Merry Christmas.
Wow, thanks, Jiminy Cricket. We've arrived at Toad Hall. We're going in for a wild ride. Woo! Wild ride. Whoa! Don't drop them. Alright, made our way to the Small World, and the projection show's going off. The holiday version that is so great. We love it. Yeah! Alright, what would Christmas be without holidays colliding at the mansion? That's pretty much a walk-on. Look at that. Nobody. Alright.
'Twas the nightmare before Christmas.
Look at no one's in the hallway. Super scary Christmas Eve. Woo!
More rabid than vultures.
To those in need, true passion potions.
Remain seated in your black Christmas sleigh. We will continue your holiday tour
It looks like
momentarily.
no, he was lip syncing that whole speech right there by that voice. It was hilarious.
Happy holidays, everyone!
Round and round she goes.
I was ready to open my Christmas present. Hurry back!
All right, leaving the Christmas lights of New Orleans Square and the Mardi Gras lights too. We could say that.
Oh yeah. Marty Christmas.
Mardi Christmas. All right, the big tree on Christmas Eve back at Town Square. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna head over to the train station because all the characters apparently make a last appearance in their pajamas together and wish us a Merry Christmas. So we're gonna go stand by for that. I think that's at 11:55, we're told. So we're gonna go check that out now. All right, here they come.
You're welcome.
All right, there they go. Oh, look at that. Duck family and Chip and Dale. Yes, that's it.
We did it. It was
made
a
it.
blast. What a fun time we had tonight.
Look, they're still back there.
Still just waving everybody goodbye. It is a blast. Everybody is so happy. I've never seen people so happy to see the characters like that.
It's pretty special, yeah.
It really is. So we want to wish a happy holidays to all of you.
Yes.
We will see you again back here for New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
So make sure if you want to see that, you subscribe to our channel and turn on your bell notifications. That way you know when we go live and when we upload.
And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up.
And if you want to become one of our Patreon members, I'll link all that information in the description box right there below.
That's right. We'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.